Right here is what we got cleared so far. If the driveway is straight over that way, so we come in, we're on the far left side if you're looking at it from the driveway. Be a little shaky as I'm walking, but you get the idea. Promised you pictures, but I'll just give you a video instead. Still got a lot of clearing to do on this side. Still want to go in right there at that corner. Oop, right there at that corner. Clear way back on down past that tree right there. Further back down in and corner it off. Driveway is right through there, and where this big old pile is, well, I'll walk around it for you. This is where I'm wanting to put the house. Ugh. So this right here is the back part of it. House probably going in between. You got 1, 2 in between, about right through there. Stretch on over to about right in there. Thinking about a fairly small house. Kind of thinking about a 20 by 40, maybe a little bit bigger. Got all that fairly knocked down and cleared. Got me a little driveway, wraparound driveway cleared up so I can drive around it. Still gotta go and cut up all this shit and restack it, reburn it. Be good to go on those pretty soon. Now we're at the driveway as you come in. Bring you on up to the... We'll go to the center in a second. Right there's where we started. Back over that way. Right there. So yeah, basically right through here is where I'll probably put the house. Still wanting to clear out to the top of them pines back there, and to that one. Go all the way down to the branch, clear it out, and do a lot of landscaping to it. I'll be pretty happy. Later on, I'm probably going to take that wood line back a little bit more, but that's not important right now. And then here's my driveway coming in. As of now, my driveway is the favorite part. Driveway is pretty decent little ways. Fuck it, we'll walk it. Casey has done every bit of this right here on about 20 to 24 hours on an excavator with a front end blade and a thumb on the bucket. So he's done pretty good. Still got a little bit left to do on smoothing out the driveway, but it works marvelous for right now. And then there we are going in. Hope you enjoy it. Can't wait for you to see it in person. Y'all be good.